Assalamualaikum friends, here is some photo effect templates for Photoshop, but these are protected password in this app. I know for lifetime all password in this app and automatically update when I upload any video. Here is my Facebook page. Join me on Facebook. Last is Telegram channel, Sheri official. Subscribe this for latest notification of any video. Okay, so here is 7 file you can use in Photoshop. Black rock, open this one. No, we need a PNG file. This one, drag here and Control S. Amazing. So you can make more better. Fire effect, and here is leaf and tree. Oil portrait painting and video TV effect. Abstract smoke photo effects. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love.